Alright, thank you so much. That was another interesting edition of the clips that you've been seeing right here on Boat TV. And of course, we'll welcome you once more to yet another interesting edition of another interesting clip where we're going to showcase to you somebody else coming shortly right here. But before we go to that, make sure that you do the social distancing, because these are the precautionary measures that have been put in place to make sure that we reduce on spreading of the coronavirus. But remember that you have your partner on your side. And your partner, it's so difficult to avoid them, but make sure that you do that. Social distancing, wash your hands, sanitize your hands, just like that. Okay, so shortly we're going to be having Mayez coming shortly right here on the show, and this will be interesting to see Mayez. I was talking to Mayez way back. I communicated to him to say, Mayez, so he's coming shortly to tell us more what Mayez is all about currently right here. So see Mayez coming shortly.
Majakete kuliye Mayezi aka Mr. Nsio. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Come closer, let me hold your waist. Mwamene uonekera, mwamene uyendera. Wose wangofunza ndiwo mwana wabandia. Baby girl mwandi iwo nati wenze patage. You are the best baby girl, footy the finest. Baby girl you are first, iwo on the liner. Babantu wonse iwe washaina. Baby girl you are first, iwo on the liner. Babantu wonse iwe washaina. Kushaina kuwaina. Baby girl you are the finest, the finer. Shaina kushaina. Haina Kila baby girl me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Mayezi, you are the girl that I love, that I see. Everybody on the shit, they my sexy body. You are the girl that I love, that I see. Everybody on the shit, they my sexy body. Baby girl, Monday night, you are the best. I was there, upati glory. Wenze kufuna bauze, you are sorry. Unamupesa nati Mr. Mayezi. Apa manze, ya fendera madiezi. Aiwa kusiana na iwe no. Nakana inena tibodo. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Come closer, let me hold your waist. Pila baby girl, me say you are the best. Girl, come closer, let me hold your waist. Mayezi yafendela madezi. Kamikaze Heights.
Grip Bridge Production, baby. I don't know why I say. Look at this one, guys.